Unboxing model suction machine. This is the item. It's actually for LED displays, and it's available in Bangladesh Barbel. So this is a pretty good thing, and we have in the box that one model suction machine and adapter. It's maybe for charging because it's a rechargeable thing. Yes, got it. It's the charger adapter, and this is the part. Okay, let's open it. Pretty good thing. Okay, and here are some details of it. Okay. Very good. There is a button for power up down, and there is a button for stack and release. Let's try this, how it works. I already set up the P6 model in here, which you can see with magnet. Magnetic. And let's see how much it can hold. It's really heavy, like 2 to 3 kg almost. I press this button. And there is also a air flowing switch, like you can lock and unlock it. It's easy. Not so bad quality. Thank you.